I'm at the 2023 Hershey RV show taking a look at some of the new models. And this one back here, the Tiffin or Vanleigh Ambition toy hauler. I've been wanting to take a look at a finished model ever since we toured the factory last year. So let's go take a peek at it. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cheri.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life. This is the Ambition 399 TH. It's got the Lippert solid step. Let's take a look at the kitchen and the living area here. Of course, it's smaller because you've got the huge toy hauler section back there. It's very white, very contemporary in here, so it's bright. Got a lot of small cabinets in the main slide right here. Nice little four-person dinette as you walk in. Look at this, kind of reminds me of like a crown molding here. Very much of a home feel to it. Got our theater seating right here. It is not leather, it's cloth, so that's nice. Cheri and I don't so much care for the leather feel. Very much like our Grand Design Momentum 381, we've got the elevated loft up there with the entertainment center right here, kind of at an angle. Large TV, got the fireplace right there. Let's turn to the kitchen area. This island is kind of small. You know, I'm kind of surprised that it is this small. But, you know, again, the kitchen area is kind of small, but you got this little extension right here. Get yourself a little more counter space, and lots of cabinets, lots of storage over there. We'll take a look at that. You can see all the lighting in here. So much lighting. Look at the ceiling. It's pretty cool. Got a microwave convection oven over here in the kitchen slide. Gas stove and gas oven right there. Looks like stainless steel. Large LG residential refrigerator over here as well, so that's nice. Take a look over here. Got lots of storage underneath the kitchen sink. Right over here, lots of cabinets. Oh, and the lights come on when you open the door. We'll catch it down here maybe. Or maybe they're already on. It's media day here at the Hershey RV show. What does that mean? It's not open to the public, so we get to come in and take a look at it before there's too many people. It's a lot easier to record a video when you've kind of got the RV to yourself. Let's take a look at the bathroom and the main bedroom here. Very nice here. Again, looks so much like a regular home. Big shower right here with a little wood bench that folds out when you don't need it. And even a little light here by your toilet sprayer. I guess in case if you're in the bathroom at night, you've got access to the sprayer there. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom in here. Nice little cabinets above the bed. Got the bed in the slide in this unit. USB ports on the side. Not much for nightstands. Maybe one drink right there. Here's the spot for the washer and dryer if you're going to install that, or its additional closet space. Got the closet right here, main closet. Lots of room for lighted closet, lighted clothing rod right here. That's cool. Lots of lights in this RV. Got space for shoes right there, and more shoes under there. Big TV in the bedroom as well. And again, this molding, you know, if you like that look, this is the RV to look at. Nice little kind of chest of drawers here. Let's go take a look at the toy hauler section. Not fully set up yet. Looks like there's some display things in here right now, but we'll just kind of look around that. We've got the main bed on the Happy Jack system here, and then you've got your bench right here that also doubles as a bed, and then a room for your toys, whatever they may be. It's an interesting little light right there. Cool light fixtures. Oh, I like this. I wish we could get this on our RV, but it's a solid glass panels that close, sliding glass door here before you go out onto the deck. That's really cool. And back here, you've got some more storage up there and a large TV. Regular doorknob here into a second bathroom here. Not too bad of a size here. Oh, they've got the vent kind of covered there. That's kind of cool. Nice little half bath there. And of course these to vent when you've got your gasoline powered toys in here, so you don't get the gas fumes building up in here. And I'll just mention the glass door here. Large door right here between the toy hauler and the living section here. Like I said, I've been dying to take a look at the finished version of this Ambition toy hauler RV from Tiffin since we toured the factory last year. What do you guys think of this RV? If you're looking at a toy hauler, would you go after something like this? I think I saw a price tag somewhere. It was under $200,000, and that's retail. They are more than other toy haulers, but you've got the Tiffin legendary quality. But let us know down in the comments, what do you think of this RV? If you're brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell. That way you catch all of our videos like this. And to see more of our RV tour videos, you can click right over here right now.